Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get free gifts in Temu. So I'll show you in this video how you can get a free gift for yourself in Temu. So let's go ahead and get right in. Now, first of all, make sure that you actually have an account with Temu. Now you can create one by going through Google or email, whatever it may be. So once you've actually created your account, you're going to want to head over to the use section, which should be located at the bottom. You can see here it's at the bottom. I'll go ahead and click on it. Should bring you to this page here. Make your way down to the bottom and go ahead and click on earn credits and free gifts. Once you do click that, it should go ahead and pop up for you a free gift section. Should be the first two here, free gifts or hat trick gifts. Now, you can actually go ahead and click on the free gifts here. And basically what that's going to go ahead and run you through, it's going to basically go ahead and give you 5 free gifts that you can actually pick from. Now, you can see here there are a few things here that we can actually go ahead and get for free. Now, I actually do like this gel blaster pistol here or this teeth whitening kit. I'm going to go ahead and get this piggy bank here, cash coin ATM. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm the gift, and we could basically get free gifts here with Temu, right? So it's very easy to do. It's very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the color here, black, and go ahead and confirm the gift. So that's essentially how you go ahead and get free gifts in Temu.